The Gulmohar project for the Deep Group is something special for us. What we are looking is that Deep Group and we at HPA Designers Firm has more than 25 years of an experience about the housing, and we want to bring another level of housing for the city of Ahmedabad. So we are looking in very special way to this upcoming project. As a designers, we believe that majority of your living happen at home, and one has to really psychologically work on the aspect of better living to make you more comfortable, relaxed. And apart from your own basic living unit, we have this and focus much more on the value of community living, which we Indian way of families always had it. And at the same time, we want to bring the luxurious way of living. So we are combining both the aspects of today's need, but without losing the qualities of Indian quality of living together. And the things is that apart from this community living, we believe the importance of the sports. So we brought the sports in such a way that it's become for your relaxation, but at the time it does help you for your own health. So at the group of this new project, we have segregated the various spaces for entertainment for various category of for every category of the age group, from a child to the middle-aged person to the old-aged person. We have fantastic view of the university campus from the top floor. So we brought the entire clubhouse on the top floor, giving the beautiful view with the infinity pool where you can regenerate yourself. We have state-of-the-art spas facilities, and of course a set of the world-class quality of the gymnasium. So idea is that we want to bring a lot more outdoor activity apart from the living inside the house. So we have lots of activity which is happening at lower level to the upper level, so people will tend to spend even much more time outside when they are back home, and chit chat with the neighbors, friends, share their experience, and that's how we want to bring the quality to the life. This project is very close to our heart. It is never before done because of two reasons. That's Deep Group is having experience more than 35 years in housing, so they have so much of knowledge and wisdom about building the houses for the people, and they have a huge fan list and happy clients since they begin their practice, and they are one of the most reliable builder has been declared last year. And we as a HPA Design Group is associated with them with 25 years, and we have been working with them. So it's almost like two brains synchronized so well. So this time we want to put all our experience to the new level of housing, and that's why we say it's never before kind of concept we want to bring for this project, which is going to become like a landmark. It's going to become one of the best living for the city, and which will be definitely become a learning lesson for the new project coming in.